Soyez les bienvenus! Mabuhay po tayo dyan. Welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Learn French the easy way again. Today's verb, jeter. Jeter. Hindi siya jeter, no? Jeter. Jeter means to throw. To throw or to discard something. Okay? Example, je jette les papiers ou je jette les poubelles. Poubelle is trash. Okay? Je jette les papiers. I throw the papers. Or je jette les poubelles. Okay? Then trash. Okay? This time po, meron tayong it's different because there are double T. Okay? Double T. Double T po siya sa ju, chu, il, l, at saka l. Okay? So, you will see the conjugation later. But this verb is very simple, useful, and perfect for daily actions. When we throw the poubelle, the trash cans, we throw the poubelle or the papier or quelque chose. Okay, are you ready to learn how to conjugate verb jeter? Tara na, let's go. On y va? Alors, comment conjuguer? How to conjugate? Okay, it's easy. Nous conjuguons le verbe jeter au présent comme ceci. Ito siya, no? Mais attention. Attention is attention. 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 Yung T magiging siyang S. Attention, hindi siya attention. Attention. Okay? Parang Asunción. Attention. Yung ju, chu, il, el, il, en pluriel at saka el, le pluriel, ils prennent du thé. Prennent du thé, ça veut dire dalawa, double T. Okay? Du thé is double T. In French, it's double T or du thé. Okay? Example. So, je jette les papiers. Je jette. Tingnan nyo, in jute, we use double T. Je jette les papiers. Okay? I throw the papers or the papers, or papier yung papers, no? Next, tu jettes les papiers. Okay? Tu is you. No? You throw the papers. Il is he. Donc, il jette les papiers. He throws the papers. Okay? Next, elle jette les papiers. Elle is she. Donc, she throws the paper. Next, nous jetons. Ito na siya, no? Regardez, nous jetons, it's not double T again. It's not do T. It's only one T. Okay? Only one. Only one is Ansel T, okay? Nous jetons les papiers. Nous jetons, hindi siya jetons, no? Nous jetons les papiers. So, we throw the papers. Next, we have vous jetez. Vous jetez les papiers. Jetez, okay? Hindi siya jetes, no? Jetez. Les papiers. Jetez les papiers. And then, il with S, that is they. Il jette, ONT, ang dulo, but it's still dute. Double T, yung double T, dute. Okay? Dute ang tawag dito. De. Do is dalawang T. So, tuti. Okay? So, il jette les papiers. Il jette les papiers. And then, meron tayong, that is they throw the papers. And then, elle avec un S, that is women. Elle jette les papiers. Elle jette les papiers. So, we will know it's plural because we pronounce it longer and we use à la fin. Elle jette les papiers. Okay? Is it clear po? So, let's repeat. Je jette, tu jettes, il jette, elle jette, on jette. Pwede pa yung on jette. Then, nous jetons. Vous jetez. Il jette. Elle jette. Okay? Is it clear? So, memorize lang po yan. Double T. Dute po siya, no? Double T o dute sa friends. Okay? Don't forget. Thank you. Of course. Merci for our audience, our audience out there. Merci d'avoir appris avec nous. That means thank you very much for learning with us. But it's only for me. Merci d'avoir appris avec moi. Moi is M-O-E, no? Moi. Hindi siya moi. It's M-O-E po siya. Moi. Moi. Okay? So, merci. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Merci d'avoir appris avec moi. Thank you for learning with me and hope to hear from you soon. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, at i-comment po for more and more videos. Ciao, ciao. À bientôt tout le monde. Ou à demain peut-être. Ciao.